Hi, in this video I would like to share with you what is the difference between continuous delivery and continuous deployment. If you like this content, please give me a like. Please remember to subscribe this channel and hit notification bell to know about the latest updates, about the latest tutorials related to test automation. If you have any observation, please leave comments down below. I hope you enjoy. Test Automation Expert channel. LearnTestCode.com. Hi BTSJ, thank you for liking my tutorial. If you leave in comments, it will allow me to focus on your needs. So BTSJ put information in comments that she would like to have more explanation of difference between deployment and delivery. So I recorded this video especially for her. Okay, so what is continuous delivery? If we have a look on this diagram, we can have different phases. Initially, developers develop the code, and after developing the code, they should run also a unit test. We can have later on application test, integration test, and at the end we have acceptance test. And if we have a look on the last phase, when we deploy application to the production in continuous delivery manner, we are not deploying automatically. So if we have this phases, deployment to the production needs to run some manual tests first, because it's really hard to automate all different conditions, and we don't want to in continuous delivery just deploy to the production automatically. Usually some business person or tester giving approval and saying, okay, we run some user acceptance tests, all those user acceptance tests have passed, or we had just minor issues, this deployment is ready to be deployed to the production. And then we manually trigger in our CI/CD pipeline approval, and then deployment to the production is triggered by some manual process, usually by approving, okay, it's ready, let's go to the production. What is then continuous deployment, and what is difference between continuous delivery? So as we can see here, also in continuous deployment process, we have different phases: development, unit testing, application testing, integration testing, and then we have acceptance testing. And in continuous deployment, the trigger to the production is done automatically. We have automated tests which will run all our acceptance, user acceptance test, and based on the results of this automatic test, we are deploying to the production. And continuous deployment is used by more mature teams who has very mature automated tests, and they trust those automated tests. And the value of continuous deployment is that the whole process is automated. So if developer is deploying and committing the code, all phases of automation after that to the production are automated. Okay, so let's summarize. Continuous delivery vs continuous deployment. They both, acronym for both of them is CD, but actually they means different things. It's very important to understand the differences between continuous delivery and continuous deployment. So if you're talking about the CD, it might be continuous delivery when we have a manual trigger to the production, which in simple words means that somebody from business or tester needs to give approval, needs to press button approve in CI/CD pipeline to deploy to the production, and usually the user acceptance tests are run in manual way, or you can have part of acceptance test automated. Testers are running some manual tests to make sure that everything is working and this release is ready to be deployed to the production. And continuous delivery is used by less mature teams who don't have yet so much test automation. And continuous deployment, in continuous deployment, all processes are automated. So deployment to the production is triggered automatically. All phases of testing are automated, so we can deliver and deploy to the production in much more faster way. It's matter of a few minutes to put and commit the code by developer, runs all type of automated test and deployment to the production. So the goal always is to start from continuous delivery and go to continuous deployment. Please visit my website learntestcode.com. Please remember to subscribe my channel, hit notification bell and give me likes. I'm Test Automation Expert.